Body sign and symptoms, numbness, tingling. Numbness and tingling. Numbness or tingling may be due to three main causes: blood deficiency, phlegm, or internal wind. With blood deficiency, there is numbness or tingling of both arms or legs, or only hands or feet. This is more common in women. Phlegm may cause numbness or tingling in one or both limbs, usually accompanied by a feeling of heaviness. Internal wind usually causes unilateral numbness in a limb if it affects the first three fingers. In an old person, it may indicate the possibility of impending wind stroke. Liver blood deficiency. Tingling and weakness of the limbs, dizziness, blurred vision, floaters, numbness or tingling of limbs, scanty menstruation, dull pain complexion, pale tongue, choppy or fine pulse. Acupuncture, liver 8, stomach 36, spleen 6, ran 4, large intestine 10, stomach 31. Phlegm in the limbs, numbness of the limbs, a feeling of heaviness of the limbs, tendency to obesity, swollen tongue, slippery pulse. Acupuncture, stomach 40, large intestine 11, large intestine 10, large intestine 10, stomach 36, ran 9, ran 5, bladder 22, spleen 9. Numbness of the limbs. So numbness of the limb due to dampness, especially legs, pain in the joints with swelling, muscle ache, a feeling of heaviness, sticky tongue coating, slippery pulse. Large intestine 11, acupuncture natin po yung large intestine 11, large intestine 10, stomach 36, ran 9, ran 5, bladder 22, spleen 9. Wind phlegm. Numbness of the limb, especially the upper limbs, often unilateral, a feeling of heaviness of the limbs, tremor, dizziness, headache, swollen and stiff tongue, wiry slippery pulse. Liver wind. Numbness of the limbs, especially liver wind. Numbness of the limbs, especially the upper limbs, often unilateral, tremors, severe dizziness, tinnitus, headache, numbness of limbs, tics, stiff, deviated or moving tongue, and wiry pulse. Damp heat. Numbness of the limbs, especially the lower limbs, ache, redness, heat and swelling of the joints, muscle ache, red tongue with sticky yellow coating and a slippery rapid pulse. Chi stagnation and blood stasis. Numbness or tingling of the limbs, stiffness and pain of the limbs, dark complexion, purple tongue. Invasion of wind cold. Numbness or tingling of the limbs, aversion to cold, fever, occipital headache, stiff neck, sneezing, body aches, tongue with thin white coating, floating and tight pulse. Clinical note: numbness is more indicative of phlegm or wind, whereas tingling is more indicative of deficiency of blood. Numbness, tingling. So summary: blood deficiency, both limbs more in women. Phlegm with feeling of heaviness. Internal wind, usually unilateral. Thank you for your attention.